Hi there! Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with the latest and greatest tips to help you grow your business. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important aspects of digital marketing, generating quality leads from your website. As we all know, in today's digital age, businesses need a strong online presence in order to succeed, and having a website is no longer enough. You need to attract potential customers to your site and encourage them to take action. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 best tips for generating quality leads from your website. Create compelling and informative content. First and foremost, your website needs to have useful and informative content that your target audience actually wants to read. This means conducting thorough research into their pain points and needs and creating blog posts, articles, and other content that provides valuable solutions. Utilize targeted landing pages. Another effective method for generating quality leads is to use targeted landing pages that address specific needs of your target audience. This could include specialized services or products, or even webinars and events. Whatever it is, make sure the landing page includes a clear call to action and optimized for conversions. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization is a critical component of generating quality leads from your website. You need to make sure that your website is fully optimized with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and other SEO strategies to help your website rank higher in search engine results pages. Offer free resources. Offering free resources such as ebooks, white papers, and other helpful content is a great way to attract potential leads. Not only does this provide your target audience with valuable information, but it also positions you as an authority in your industry. Use social proof. In order to earn the trust of potential leads, you need to use social proof to demonstrate your expertise and authority. This could include featuring customer testimonials, case studies, and social media mentions on your website. Leverage email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for generating quality leads. By creating targeted email campaigns that deliver valuable content to your subscribers, you can increase engagement and drive conversions. Just make sure that your emails are personalized, informative, and provide clear call to action. Prioritize lead magnets. Lead magnets are incentives that encourage website visitors to provide their email address or contact information in exchange for valuable content. These can include free trials, exclusive discounts, and other incentives that your target audience will find appealing. Partner with influencers. Partnering with influential people in your industry can help you reach new audiences and generate quality leads. Whether it's through sponsored content or social media partnerships, influencers can help you gain the trust and attention of potential customers. Focus on user experience. User experiences is a critical element for converting website visitors into leads. You need to make sure that your website is easy to navigate, has a clear structure, and is optimized for mobile devices. Additionally, make sure that your website loads quickly and provides a seamless user experience. Use retargeting ads. Retargeting ads allow you to target people who have already visited your website but didn't take action. By displaying ads to these individuals as they continue to browse the web, you can remind them of your brand and encourage them to return to your website and convert into a lead. So there you have it, the top 10 best tips for generating quality leads from your website. By incorporating these strategies into your digital marketing plan, you will be well on your way to growing your business and increasing your revenue. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you succeed.